Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is Postman. Okay, so quickly I'll go to the Google, and if we just search like Postman, then we'll be redirected to the official website of the Postman. Okay, so it's just loading here. Alright, so if you visit for the first time, then it will ask for the username and password if you have already account, and if you don't have, you can create one easily with the email ID. And now talking about Postman. So basically Postman is an API testing platform which will be like, if you have got any public or a private API, then it will be used to test that API. For example, if that API is properly working, and if that API is giving the expected results or not. So those kind of things will be tested with the help of AP Postman. So it's like in the name itself, Postman. So it is like transferring the data from one place to another place. In this case, it will be transferring from client to server to the client. So we are the clients who are browsing, and the server will be sitting somewhere, and with the help of Postman we'll be exchanging the data through the APIs. Okay, so that is basically the use of Postman. And now I will show you like how to get the data through the APIs. Okay, so if you just click on team workspace, there are a lot of other options if you want to use, but I will just show you the basic things which people will be using. So you can see here team workspace, and after that just click on this plus icon, and you will be getting this window. So this is basically the testing part of the API. So here we need to enter the URL for the API, and after that if we just click on send, then we'll be getting the result. But lot of times people will be facing issue like APIs, open APIs, the free of cost APIs will be open, but whatever the personal APIs will be there, of course they will be having security. So how to test the API which is having security, right? So that can be done easily. So you just need to click on this authorization, and in this drop down, if you have got the API key, then click on API key. Otherwise in some scenarios we'll be having the username and the password. So for that you can opt with this basic authentication. So just click on this one guys, and you will be getting these two fields here. Here you need to enter the username, and here you need to enter the password. Okay, so I will just quickly fill up all those things, and I will meet you in the next part. Okay, I mean next just from the break. Okay, so here I'll just close this window because I've already pasted these things in one of my other window. So you can see I have got one URL, so just test URL, and after that username and the password. So just dummy data I'm uploading from my server. Okay, so here if I just click on send, then here you will be able to see the output, and I'll just maximize this window. So see, this is the output which we'll be getting. Okay, so from this one I will just like if you want data in JSON, click on JSON, XML, HTML, text, and auto. Everything is present. And also in some cases we want the code, whatever the backend code is there, so Node.js code or C++, so Python, like that. To fetch this data from the API, we need to write a code. So that code can be taken from this Postman as well. So you can just click on this code icon on the top right hand corner, and you will be able to see lot of options here. So this is basically the code which we can copy, of course. Okay, and if you just change the, okay, so you can see a lot of options. Okay, so almost in each and everything they are giving. So if you want in this one, take it in this one, C# and HTTP, then curl, everything, mostly everything is present. So this is one of the coolest property for of this Postman. Okay, so you can directly get the code, you can copy it from here, and you can paste it in your project, and you are good to go. So that's all in this video. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, there will be a lot of options, right? So get, post, put, patch, like this. So get is basically to fetch the data from the server, and if you want to put something on the server, then post. And put is also same, but a small chunk of data can be updated with this one. And patch is for specific segment. that one, and delete is of course deleting the thing. And these are all a lot of hi-fi options. We need not to worry about that. I mean, whenever time comes, we'll get to know about those things, right? So this is the thing. And if you're working with some other private API network, choose with this one, public API network or partner API network. Depending on your network, you can opt one of these things. And there will be workplaces where you can add your friends as the teammates, and they can change the codes, they can test the APIs and everything, so that teams can be created here. So APIs, environments, mock servers, monitors, flows, so each and everything. If you want some free APIs, they will provide from the APIs itself. Okay, so like that, there are a lot of options are there. So that's all. That's pretty much about the Postman in this video. So I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe the channel, and we'll meet in the next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.